Hey everyone, today I'm going to do one of my favorite TV actress. I'm just going to copy her makeup look, you can say. I'm inspired from her a lot. She's Ishani from Meri Aashiki Tumse. That the serial comes on Color TV and one of my favorite serial. And I love Ishani like anything. She is so gorgeous and beautiful. So yeah, so I just try to copy her. I'm not looking exactly like her, I know this, but yeah, it's an inspired makeup look, right? So are interested in creating this look, then please keep on watching. The first thing I'm going to use today is this L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour this foundation, and I'll apply it on all over my face. Like so much. She is so beautiful, and I daily watch this serial Meri Aashiki Tumse, and it's amazing serial. It comes up, so we'll try to match. This foundation looks lighter on my skin, but it will get oxidized, so no need to worry about that. Now after this, I'm going to use to set my foundation, I'm using my Revlon Compact, this one, and I'll just dust it on my face. I'll just do one of my eye and then I'll come back to you. The primer eyeshadow base, I'm using this Inglot eyeshadow base on all over my eyelid area, this way. Then after that, today I'm taking this palette, local palette, and you can take any palette, just you need to get, you should get a right shade. I'm using this light, lovely baby pink color. I'm using this light baby pink color. So I'll just apply it on all over my eyelid area, this way. A shade from that is this color. It's a little darker, the outer crease of my eyelid area. This way. After that, I'll take one more darker color, which will be more darker than those two. So yeah, I'll take this and I'll apply it onto my crease area to give a little bit of dimension, and up till my crease area too. Now after this, I'm going to take the lighter color, which is this one, champagne color you can say, but in a lighter shade, and I'll just apply it here. This Colossal Kajal from Maybelline, and I'll just apply it onto my upper eyelid area nicely. Little dark. It should get a little darker. apply thoroughly. I mean, yeah, like the way you now I'll make a winged eyeliner like this, not much, but yeah, I'll make little. I'm keeping my liner thick because Ishani's makeup is like, her eye makeup is like little thick. Now after this I'll just waterline my lower lash line. So for that today I'm using this Color Essence High Definition Kohl pencil in black color, and I'll just apply it here. So I'll take this kajal and I'll apply it onto my lower lash line. Keeping it thick. This way. Then I'm taking this Color Essence High Definition Mascara and I'll apply it. Lots of mascara, I mean too many coats. So now comes the eyebrow part. So I'm using any black color eyebrow pencil you can use and just make your eyebrows black in black color, because Ishani's eyebrows are like so thick, so damn thick and beautiful, and very dark too. So we are almost done with the eye part. Now we'll continue with the rest of our face. Now I'm continuing my rest of my face. So I'm using this concealer. It's from Sheer Cover and this shade, and I'll just apply it below my eyelid area to just cover all my dark circles. Yeah, now I'll just set all this with the help of this beauty blender properly. Now again I'll be taking my Revlon powder that is compact, and I'll just set this whatever I've applied right now, like concealer and all, just set it and make it perfect. For contouring, I'm again taking my blush City Color. I got this from my Fab bag and I absolutely love it. It's amazingly amazing. So I'm just going to contour my get little chiseled face. And I'll apply this dark brown color onto my nose as well. Okay, color, this one, it's light pink. And I'll apply it onto my cheeks. This way to outline my lips with this color crayon creme pencil in 114 it's written. So yeah, I'll just apply it this way. Then I'm using this pink color essence in Passionate Pink, and I'll just apply it. Yeah. So now only highlighting part is left, so we'll highlight and then apply bindi, and then the nose thing. I'm going to highlight my nose first, this way. In this bindi, and I'll apply this crystal bindi on my nose this way, like she is having. I don't know, it's hard to see. She is applying that bindi this way. With that, we come to an end of this makeup look that was inspired from Ishani's character, you can say. And I really enjoyed doing this makeup look. It's very simple, very supple colors like pink color, all favorite pink. So yeah, I mean, if you recreate this look, then please send me your pictures. Hashtag me, hashtag modelsing29 on Instagram, and and yeah, you can carry this look for any party, functions and all. It's amazingly simple and it looks gorgeous too. So please, if you like it, then rate, comment and subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me, guys. And thank you so much, whoever, like so many people subscribed my channel, and I'm thankful to all of them. Yeah, do take care of yourself. Love you all. Bye.